All right, how's it going, too? Back out with the Arrma Infraction. We're doing some testing today. Remember, I put the new XLX in there, not the XLX2, just the regular XLX. It's just a new one. I blew the last one I had in here. I also took the spool out of here and put it in the XTM, and I built the spool for this. It's a drag racing spool. Just want to see if everything is good. It's on 4S. I got it gear mount, and I did do some adjustments to the ESC. So I just want to see how it's running. I did bring the GPS, but I'm not gonna GPS it. I just want to make sure that the car itself holds up and the spool is working. So that's what we tested here. That's really what we tested here. Need to turn the brake down. Spool seems to be holding up. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Sorry about that, guys. Got a car coming. Spool seems to be holding up. I want to get some data log because I'm thinking that I've been running this cat pack on my other XLX. I just put it on this one. I'm thinking that it's time to get a new one, and it has I gotta get the data log out of it to actually know. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll be showing the data log after. Just trying to turn on the brakes and let this car pass. It's decent. There's some adjustments. Got some new foams and batteries coming. Can't wait to run this on 6S. Coming out nice, y'all. She's coming out nice. Brakes is hitting on point. I'm not even hitting them hard. Got another car coming. Sorry about. I'll probably edit all of that out, guys. We'll get a few more test hits in. So far, she's running good. I don't want to put too much strain on it. I am gonna drag race it on 6S, but it's only gonna be 2 to 3 hits. It's not really, you know, something you want to be stretching all the time. So let's go ahead and get a hit in. Hitting nice, y'all. Let's get one more flyby. I'm gonna call it a wrap. I don't want to beat on it too much. Well, test attempts is geared low as it could be. A nice flyby. Spool's holding up though. Spool is holding up. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Thank y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned for the data logs. I'm gonna go ahead and test everything, make sure nothing's hot, go from there. All right, guys, I'm downloading the data login for the XLX. So let's go ahead and see what it did. This was on 4S. Just wanna make sure my cat pack, I'm not getting spikes in my ripple. Yeah, that ripple is kind of high there. Yeah, that cat pack gotta get changed. Unfortunately, voltage sag is big. Went to like 108 on the temperature, which ain't bad, but on 6S is gonna do a little bit hotter. It did 4 horsepower on 4S. That ain't bad. Current was 279. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, for 4S with they got the 4070 can up there, so you know that's pulling some amps. Alright, guys, but anyway, thanks for tuning in. Didn't do so bad on the temp. The temp started raising as I kept hitting it towards the end of them long passes, but for 108, that ain't bad. Also, my voltage sag was kind of bad, but it's old batteries. I ain't stressing it. We're gonna see what the new ones. We're gonna run it on 6S. Definitely see what it do. Want to see what the temps is, and then we go from there. All right, guys. Stay tuned.